Wow, you made it. You've made it to week 6. Now we get to the fun stuff. And during the next 2 weeks, you're going to be working with a variety of drawings that you would encounter in the process industries. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to read chapter 15 in your text, and that's going to give you an overview of the different types of drawings. Some of them are very simple, like the block flow diagrams or the process flow diagrams. And in fact, it's going to be a little difficult to tell the difference between a block flow diagram and a process flow diagram. One is more focused on the process and may have a little bit of different information. And sometimes we're going to actually use those two terms interchangeably. The big drawing that you're going to want to look at is the process and instrumentation diagram, or a P&ID. So after you read your chapter 15, work through the chapter 15 session, and I've put the homework and the expectations on that last slide in the chapter 15 session, or the chapter 15 session, which is session 13. I've put that expectations there because working through the P&ID manual may take you a little while. So what I'm asking you to do is do the homework associated with chapter 15 in week 6, and then start working on that manual. And that's the primary item for week 7. During this time, I want you to schedule your midterm with the testing center, because you're going to be using some documents and some diagrams to do the second test, which is why I'm asking you to take it at the testing center rather than try to do it online, because you want to look at those drawings and want to look at those documents, and that would be a little difficult to try and do as an online test. So I want you to schedule your test to take it during week 7 or week 8. And in fact, as I put in the note, the announcement here recently, I want you to make sure that you have that scheduled so that you've taken your midterm by March the 9th. So you want to do it during the week of February the 27th through March the 9th, some point along that line. And you want to make sure you finished your P&ID manual before you go in for that test. I'm not asking you to turn in anything from that manual, but I do want, you'll be looking at those diagrams and drawings as part of your test, so that's going to be a critical thing. During week 6, during week 6 and 7, you're going to have a quiz, and that quiz will allow you to be more prepared for the exam, and that's going to help document whether or not you went through the manual. So just be keeping that pieces of information out there. So once you've done that, we'll be halfway through the semester, and what we're going to finish on the rest of the semester is equipment and different equipment types, so that you get a chance to get familiar with that equipment, and we'll be keeping on going. So congratulations, you're almost halfway there, and we'll go through session 13. Thank you.